Good evening, everyone. My topic is genre approach to teaching. So, define genre approach. This involves explaining what the genre approach is. In the context of teaching, it means understanding how different types of text have specific structures, styles, and purposes, and teaching students to recognize and use these conventions effectively. So, when teaching students about persuasive essay, they would learn about the typical structure, the introduction with a thesis statement, body paragraphs, and the supporting evidence, and also a conclusion. So, identify three writing orientation. So, process-oriented writing, emphasis on brainstorming, drafting, revising, and editing. Students might keep journals or writing logs to track their progress. Product-oriented writing. Focus on the final written piece and its quality. Emphasis on grammar, style, and overall presentation. Students might work on polishing their essay to meet specific criteria standard. Genre-oriented writing. Focuses on the conventions of specific genres and emphasize on understanding and applying the rules and characteristics of different types of text. So, annotated examples of two genres. So, my example here is a persuasive essay highlight the thesis statement, supporting arguments in a persuasive genres. And the lab report highlight the section of methodology, result, and analysis. So, let's proceed. Writing orientations and genre writing focus. So, improve understanding of audience expectation. So, example is, if you're writing a formal report, you understand that the audience expects clear, concise language and a structured format. So, enhance ability to meet specific writing goals. So, if your goal is to persuade, you have to learn to use a persuasive techniques effectively. Better organization and structure of written work. You learn to structure your essay with a clear introduction, body, paragraphs, and conclusion. That's all. Thank you everyone for listening.